Okay, so my Fabled box came. I'm going to see what's in it. So, let's see. Okay. So these are the September books, and these should be the October. They ship September and October books together. Let's see. Okay. So this is the September Fabled Nights book. It is Catch the Sun. That's the first one. This is the Fabled Nights. The back. To catch the sun, they must first endure the flames. And that's that. Hardback. End papers. Signed. There's a quote in the nicest thing about the rain is that it always stops eventually. Eeyore. It's cute. Back is the same. That was the Fabled Nights book. Then we have this one is the Fabled Twilight book. Okay, so it's got like a what are these? Case for it. And it's just a plain hardback. Moonrise, a moonrise in the fire. It's the back. You have me in shadow and in light, and in what shadow remains, I will be with you. You don't have to be alone in the dark anymore. Pages. It says, I see the moonrise in the fire, the night in the sun. End papers. It's signed. Top of there. Little heading. And the back is the same. That was the Twilight, Fabled Twilight. And then this one is the Fabled Moonlight. It is called Never Fall for a Dragon. It's the front. It's the back. It says, it was insane, absolutely insane, but nothing had ever felt so right. That's the naked hardback. End papers. Signed. What's that? Oh, that's really cool. It's pink pages. Oh gosh. That's really friggin' pretty. The pages are all pink. And each chapter has the pretty designs on them. It's cute. Oh, and then it's inlay there. Overlay, whatever it's called. Is that the only one? Oh, there's another one. Yeah. There's that one. That's pretty cool. They got little things in there. It's the dragon one. And there's that one. And there's that with the little donuts. That's cute. Got that one. And I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. So that was the Fabled Moonlight. So these were the September books. And I also have the October books. So I'm getting caught up. So this one is the Fabled Nights, again for October. It is barbed wire hearts. That's the back. These barbed wire hearts don't let go. The edges make it hardback. Back, it says, "Let the mountains hear your cries, let it echo back to me." End papers. Author signature. The chapter headings. Then we have this one is the Fabled Twilight for October. It is a broken promise. It's the back. Finn has lost everything, her family, her love, and her purpose. Betrayed and sold into slavery, she existed awaiting her end until she was mistakenly taken for a magic wielder and gifted to the brutal, bloodthirsty destroyer general to be tortured and killed. Surrounded by her enemies, Finn makes a promise, one she will fight to keep. The end papers, hardback. Edges, solid top and bottom. And then the last book is the Fabled Moonlight. And this one is called The Cruel Dark. That's the front, back. Keep watching, kitten. There's a sound from your lips I would love to hear again. The end paper, the edges, naked hardback, and the end papers, same on the back. So this was September and October's Fabled books.